Hello everyone, welcome back to Art Life. Thank you for your support. In this video, we will creating a dreamy moonlight forest path. For the background, I started with a circular gradient of lighter blue in the center and darker blue around the outside. This will give the moon a nice glowy appearance. And once it's dried, you can paint your full moon over the brightest spot in the center. Now we can add in some tree trunks. Make your first blue just a little lighter than the darkest area of your sky and paint a few trunks across the whole sky area. For this, I use a bright green and a small flat brush. Then we are going to repeat the process again, adding another layer of darker green bushes. A path down to the center. Now we can give our bushes and plants a little bit of texture. Once I have painted the plants, I like to take a little of the dark mixture on the top. For the lanterns, you should start with a small round pen or a liner brush to add the pole. I added a little hook on the top for the lanterns to hang from. For the lanterns, I started off by adding an oval shape in titanium white, a yellow mixture to create a warm light. Finally, we can add a few touches of highlights on the planks around the lanterns. And this is the final look. Thanks for watching.